had recorded the last class, and then I also did share a recording of what I proposed as hints or solution to your assignment. Okay, it's a very easy assignment, but uh, at least I saw some people attempted to do it, while many others also just ignored it. So I don't know what that means, but yeah, I guess it's really up to you. I can only do so much. If you want to learn, you know what to do. All right. So having said that, today we shall pick up from where we left last time. But more importantly, I wanted to go through the assignment I gave you guys, which is very, very simple. But again, I will do it live. Hence, if you have any question, you write it down and then you can ask. I suggest and I recommend you ask your questions in class, in the forum. Why is that important? It's important so I don't have to answer 10 different people with the same question. Okay? If I spend 10, 15 minutes to answer your question, you can imagine if I multiply that by 10. So it will take a lot of time. So my suggestion is if you have a question, ask it on the forum. If you're sharing your assignment or anything, please share in the forum. That way I am able to respond once and for all to everybody. Okay. Plus, I was hoping by now you guys would be interacting with each other and learning from each other because there's some of you here who have a little more experience than others. So uh, you should try and actually ask other people when you get stuck. Okay. It is helpful. All right. So the homework was very simple, and I will go ahead and the first one was just for you to do take trades, almost like 100 trades. And I know where the challenge was. Your challenge was probably on setting up, on the setup, right? So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so just watch. Oh, I think part of the problem that most of you had was actually part of the problem was you guys entering the platform. Okay, and I shared with you guys a simpler way, which is you go to the web, and then I think I'd already bookmarked mine, but I'll share with you. Mine was I just logged in the online version, which is you know c.sportswear, as you can see right here, sportswear.com. If you click on it, it allows you to log in using your Gmail. All right. So I will log in, and the first assignment was for you to take 100 trades, and then all the rest are very simple. So we'll do the first one and move on. So I do have my setup the way I have right now, but you don't have to worry about all this. So I will change the screen there to single mode. Okay. And then I will change this to 1 minute. It could even be more, you know, for the bigger pips you're looking for, it could be more. But I had told you that we can use the 1 minute. Okay. Now, if you're using the 1 minute, this is what you have. And then I also mentioned to you in the
Hello.
video, hello, can you,
I can't see your screen. I can't see what you're sharing.
oh yeah, I forgot to share. 1 second. 1 second. Oops. Sorry about that. I think I might as well close this and do it again. All right. So I say that the challenge most of you were having was in the logging in. And I told you, you can just type see, you can even see spotwear, spotwear.com. That's the link I saved for my C Trader. So when you click on it, it takes you to the website. Then you can use your Gmail to log in. So I will go ahead and enter. And then when you enter, now you're using the online version. If you had downloaded your thing on the desktop, then it's as easy as just opening it up. So this is the online version. Okay. All right. So this is what you had. And in the first case, your first assignment was to take 100 trades. So I shared and told you guys that in the last video that this thing here is all you need. Okay, this is the buy side, this is the sell side. All right. Now, ideally, it's supposed to change this to 0.01, 0.01, like that. Why? So that it can allow you to take as many trades as you want. So I've looked at now you need to take 100 trades. To take 100 trades is as easy as just clicking, nothing more, just clicking. All right. So I'm looking at the market right now, the market structure. It seems like market is going up and down between two levels. As you can draw here, it's been going up and down between that level. And please note the tools I'm using because you're going to be using them all the time. Okay. So on the right hand side, the tool, horizontal line, or something like that. Okay. So from 602, the market has been going like this, just up and down, up and down, up and down, and so on. Okay. Now it seems to be going up. Now your assignment did not even specify whether you're supposed to get buys or sells. No. All I wanted was for you to take 100 trades. Now, how do we do that? That is simple. You just click buy or sell. Doesn't matter. You can click all the 100 like this, or you can click 150 there, 20. It doesn't matter. So since the market wants to go up a little bit, let me just pretend and do some buys. So I can do like 50 if I wanted to. And you see what's happening. And look at, please pay attention at this number here, positions. It says 9 for now. I've taken 9 trades right now just by clicking on that thing. So you're supposed to click it 100 times. And that is very simple. So, okay, we've just done about 15, 17, 20. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, you just click, 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 and whatever is happening will happen on the right hand side until they reach 50. Kind of boring, but hey, that's how you learn. Okay, so I've done about maybe 40, 50. Yeah, there. That's all. That was your homework for the first one. That's the first homework. Homework number one. Now, homework number two. Homework number two was no different. In homework number 2, the only difference is I specified. Oh, and by the way, when you submit your homework, please label your homeworks. Don't just throw me something and hope that I'll figure out what it is. No, you label your homework. So you send your statement, but then you specify what it is you're doing. Okay, so I know. So as you can just see, just by playing around, I've done about 78, 79 trades, or 80 trades. Some are still loading up right now. Now, the next thing after that homework, you are supposed to share with me your statement. And the statement is just proof of the fact that you've done your homework. Okay. So I'm waiting for this to be done. It is still loading up. My computer is a bit slow today. As you can see, I've done 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. There you go. That was your homework. How long that take? Less than a minute. Okay. So most of the assignments I'll give you require more thinking than just the manual part. So we do have that, but because my computer is slow, I'm waiting for it to finish up. So it's still loading. So you forgive me for 1 minute. Uh, wow, I didn't realize I took so many trades like that. Almost, no, 120, it's still loading. Okay, wow, still too many. Uh, my computer is a bit slow, but I'll see if I can kill some of the trades. Okay, I guess it's too late. I can't kill the trades.
Excuse me, coach.
Yes, Judy.
Yeah, sorry, I was switching from the phone to the laptop. That part that you demonstrated how to take 100 trades at a go. Do you mind
Okay,
repeating?
okay, yeah. So like I said, once you open your platform, okay, you come and set this thing here, this middle part. If you click somewhere in the middle there, you put your cursor on top. It's supposed to change. It's supposed to give you. Okay, mine is not changing now because it's busy trying to fill these orders that I just did. So it's kind of frozen. But if you put your cursor on top of this thing here, okay, this thing will open up and you'll see some number in the middle, like 0.2, 0.3, or whatever it is. That number, you first change it to 0.01. Now, the reason for that is to allow you to take as many trades as possible. That is called the lot size. Okay. And maybe from the next class, okay, I think somebody asked a question, then they got kicked out. I'm wondering, I think it's this, the platform is a bit unstable, or maybe it's the network. So I'll repeat again for the sake of Judy who asked the question. I think I saw her getting out or getting in. So you come here
Yeah,
and
sorry,
are you in now?
I am. The laptop went off again, sorry. But I'm
Okay.
in now.
Okay. All right, good. So even my trades are done. So, okay. People are still coming in now, 7:20. All right. So when you click on this thing here, it's supposed to open up and give you options of, let me just see. I'm still frozen here. But the idea is when you open up this space, it will give you like a number. So you change that number to 0.01. Once you change it to 0.01, it then allows you to take trades. Okay, so in my case, I was able then to click. You just press that to click. That's okay. Here it is. Okay, good. So this thing here, that's what you change. You change that number to 0.01. Okay, so you type 0.01 in the middle there. Okay, once you've changed that, it allows you to minimize the lot size. So you're able to take very many trades. All right. So like in this case, the market is going up. Because it's going up, I went ahead and took a lot of buy trades. Buy, buy, buy. I clicked, just click on it like this, buy. So, but what I'll do here, some of the trades are already profitable. You look on the left-hand side under positions, it tells you how many trades you are taking on the left-hand side. So if I move this up a little bit, okay. So initially, I didn't really care what you're doing, just evidence of 100 trades. So the best way then is after you've taken 100 trades, then you can come here and close them. You see this sign here, written close? I can close all of them, or I can close one by one. See there, if I click on this, then I'm closing. And when the colors are green, 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 it means you are in profit. If this is orange, it means you are making a loss. So I'm gonna kill all of them by closing like that. But like I said, my computer is a bit slow, so it might take a minute to close. Okay, and then it's from there that then you will be able to share your statements. So you click on that, it will close all of them. Then you go to history. Okay, sorry guys, this computer is a little slow today. Maybe I'll switch. I have another one running, so let's see if I can stop it. All right. Okay, I've just closed that one because it's not moving. So I have other instances of CTrader running, and I will open them up. Open, 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 open. Okay, that was the online version, and maybe that was why it is very slow. But this other one is a standalone version, which one I downloaded, and it is okay. There we go. All right. So once again, for the sake of assignment number one and assign all the other assignments, to take trades, you come here, you specify the lot size. Okay. So once you put your cursor over there, you just highlight like that, and then you type 0.01. That is the lot size. That's the lowest lot size that we shall be using. Okay. So I'll explain to you guys what a lot size is later. Then to take the trades, I said you'll have to just click buy or sell. But for now, I want to show you the records of what you're doing. So I come here, my layout, I click on this trade watch, the bottom. So if you click on that, this is what happens. Now watch this positions thing. As I take the trades, okay, you will see something happening. So I will take maybe like 5 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For you, you're supposed to do 100. All right. Then I'll also take maybe 5 buys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do 100 in less than 1 minute, which means your assignment was just a joke, right? Okay. The thing is, you have to figure out how the market is going. If it's going up, you buy. If it's going down, you sell. All right. So that's assignment number one. Assignment number two is the same as assignment number one. The only difference, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. number one, we need your statement. And your statement comes by you closing all your trades. Click there. And then you come to history. Okay, when you're in history, on the right hand side, you look at statements. You click on statement and it will open up your statement, the statement of your work. So in my case, this is what it is for now. Oh, this one is coming in Excel, but I don't want Excel. So you can share with Excel or you can use the HTML. So I prefer the HTML. It's easier to share in the group. Okay. So I think it gives you both statements. Oh, I know why. Because I specified. Okay. Let me see on the statement. If you right click, it tells you create statement. So you can create a statement. Okay. So depending on the setup, it will give you HTML or Excel. So I prefer the HTML, and this is how it looks like. This is how your statement looks like. Now in the first assignment, if you look at the last column, which is pips, I don't really care what you have there, all right? But in the next follow-up, assignment, I do care because I specified. I told you what I want. So let's look at what I wanted. So in the second assignment, you come here and you do settings. At the settings, okay, then this will open up this table, or rather the pop-up, and you go to quick trades. You click on quick trades, and then you have this other table. So you go to single click, and then on a single click, you okay. Oh, we've been reminded our class will be ending in 10 minutes. I hope I can finish up in 10 minutes actually. Wow. All right. On the single click, you come and you set up this setup. Click on the stop and take profit. So on the stop, I suggested you do 50 pips, but on the take profit, initially the first assignment is 2 pips. So you change that to 2. You can just type over 2. And then once you're done, you do apply. If you apply, you'll see something popping up to confirm on the top right hand corner. So apply, and then you see this is what happens. So essentially, this is now set. You are set to take your trades with a pip target of 2. All right. When it's 5, then you remove that 2. You type 5. When it's 10, you put 10. Okay, and that's it. So when you come here, and then you take your trades, like now, the market has come down, but I'm suspecting it will go up. So I'll do buys. If I do buys, something interesting will happen. Now you're supposed to take like 10 trades. So, you make sure you click it like 10 times. But this time around, there will be additional lines. As you can see, you're doing buys and there'll be additional line there which says TP. TP means take profit. So your take profit will be 2 pips. So when the market goes up there and which is there, it will be 2 pips. Okay, then the trade will close itself automatically. And when it does, you can then go to history and click on statement, and that's the one you share. All right. So with that, I think you have enough background to be able to do the 2 assignments. Now, there's an idea for the bigger pips, like 10 pips or 50 pips and so on. It might help if you change the time so that you're not dealing with 1 minute. Okay, you can come here and change that to either 5 minutes or 15 minutes. 15 minutes is fine. Okay, sorry about all my lines there. different class. But the 15 minutes, you can see, you can measure maybe from even up there to the lowest here, and you'll see it says 29 pips. All right, so we can move to another one. Let's see if we did 30 minutes. 30 minutes from a low and a high should be able to give you something better. Okay, this might be better. So from this low to that high, that's about 91 pips. So the 30 minutes seems to be better. Okay, so you just change the time to 30 minutes, and you want 30 pips or 50 pips, you go back in the settings, okay, and you set that to 50. Okay, and then you save, and then when you come back, you just come here and you do buy or sell depending on where you think the market is going. So that was the homework, and it seems like we are consuming so much time in just dealing with the homework. I think to compensate for that time, I might add you guys an additional class this week so that it's not just Monday and Wednesday, but I might also opt to do also the Friday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that we can be able to catch up. I think I'll probably leave the homework for you guys to be doing and only get to me when you have a question, rather than go through the homework in class and then we consume a good chunk of our time. So anyway, we have 5 minutes and I needed to go through something that is important, introduce a new topic, which is very critical to your learning. So if you still have any more questions regarding the homework, please ask me directly, sidebar, not sidebar, but, ask in the class, and we can share that solution in the class. If we get cut off in the next 5 minutes, I may, for this particular session only, I may opt to get in again and continue the class, but we have to try and confine ourselves within the 30 minutes. So for those of you who just came late, just a reminder. All right, so I'll stop sharing this and introduce the next topic. So the next topic is actually what I was considering like the beginning of your learning the important things about Forex. Okay, and that is the market structure. Okay. So when I talk about the market structure, essentially I'm talking about the movement of the market up and down, because it is your understanding of the market structure that will allow you to be able to take trades, to know when to take trades and why to take the trades at that point in time. So before I even get to the details of price and all that stuff, technically when I talk about market structure, what I'm saying is, let me see if I can just draw. So if we get cut off right now shortly, please just log in again, because I believe what we're going to learn is probably going to be very critical. So the markets move up and down like this, like that. So what I want us to look at is that structure, the movement of markets up and down. Okay? We know that the markets move up and down because of change in currencies and so on and so on, the movement of currency. But if we isolate that movement and look at the charts, what can we learn from the charts? That to me is the most important thing, So I want to teach you what to look at in those charts, and when to enter to buy and when to enter to sell. So having said that, let me pause this. Let me set up the next link, and then if we come in, I'll be done in 10 minutes, I promise. Okay? So because this is my only item for you for today, the market structure. All right, so we can get out and then we can get in. Okay, I'm sharing the link shortly. This session is done.